staying with us here in the Celebrity Cricket League. So the Mumbai Heroes are 32 for 1. They've just lost a wicket, and I've got a hero besides me who is finally playing today. We get to see you in action.
Yeah, finally it's my day today.
But you're still carrying injuries. So once again, you're carrying injuries. You're strapped up. Your wrist is strapped up. You're obviously a very, very brave man.
Well, I love cricket and I wanted to play, and I've been practicing the last 1 week, so I'm really glad to get a chance to play today.
We're really glad. We want to see you play and bat, and it's a tough task today, but you seem to be quite confident of the fact that you do have the depth in batting.
I'm here because my son Aryaman wanted me to really play, and Aryaman, I love you.
Aryaman, you're going to keep your daddy here, not let him go get padded up just yet. What has this experience been like for you? Because it was such a pleasure for them when you finally came on board, and to be with other actors in this completely different scenario, not having the pressures of work around, or are there the pressures of work?
There's no pressure. It's like being in school, it's like bonding, male bonding happening out here, and you're just so happy to be here. You forget everything, even if you win or lose, it's just fun. Yeah, definitely we all want to win, but it's still so much excitement. I mean, I wasn't playing the last 4 matches or 3 matches, and now I'm here playing, but I enjoyed the 3 matches also, so I'm here for my Mumbai Heroes, and all the best.
Well, the spirit is definitely there, but can you objectively look at some of the other teams and the other actors from the regions, and when they play, if they pull off something good like a great catch, can you actually stand up and applaud them for that?
Definitely. I mean, it's all about being here and trying your best. None of them are cricketers. They're here because they love the game, and it's exciting. And even our fans who are watching us, they love watching us play cricket, which is one of their favorite sports. So I'm sure. I mean, it hurts when someone takes a catch or bowls one of our players out, but then it works vice versa,
Now, Bobby, all of you are so serious and so committed. There's so much hard work, but who lightens the mood in the camp? Is there one joker? Because you're all actors, you're all got personalities.
I think we all are jokers in the team. I mean, the most serious person in our team is actually the most funniest one. That's Sunil.
Is that right?
Because he is the man who keeps you together, but when he can really pull your leg when he wants to. So, but it's really fun, just being with everyone.
Well, thanks so much for talking to us. All the best.
Thanks so much.
All right, back over to you.
Thanks a lot. And that was Bobby Doyle, really committed on the field and finally playing a game here in the CCL. Good to see him really charged up when he was fielding. Down the leg side, there should be another wide. Struggling at the moment. Sudeep, the captain.
It's not only Sudeep, even the bowler is struggling here. In his follow through, he stopped. Now he's in some pain. And Dhruv, that is Sudeep for you. He's hurt himself, I think his ankle or his knee.
But certainly there is no dearth of advice on the field. Every fielder coming to the bowler. There should be another wide. He's erring in his line very often now. Probably that's the reason that advice is coming very often.
Really, it's not so easy to control on this white ball. We have seen some professional bowlers struggle with that. They're trying their best. The effort is there. Good shot from Raja. He gets some runs here. Good fielding, good effort by, I think it's Chandra there at deep third man. After 6 is 37 for 1.